Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 19th of January 2015. Just before we get started, let you know I'm recording this on the Sunday afternoon, the 18th of January, because tomorrow, the 19th of January, the US markets are all closed in observance of the Martin Luther King holiday. So there is no trading for the Monday. So going back to Friday's trading session, we've got the 5-minute chart in front of us here. We can see how the market opened down at the 17,301, trading up to the 17,350 before finding some weakness there. You can see the market then coming back through the 17,300 and stopping at the 17,250 level. Market found support here and then traded all the way back up to 17,400. So still quite a bit of volatility around in the market at the moment. But if we move across to the late afternoon, early evening, you can see that we had a potential buy signal here at 1835. If I just mark this one up for you, you can see that the market went through this and traded nearly up to the scalp, but failed to actually trigger this. And then we see the market come back below the entry price, and then we see a sell signal. So what I'm going to do is just to remove the scalp and the stop loss here and show you. You can see that we've got the entry price up to here, the market trading through it, and then we have an opposing signal. So if I mark this up for you, you can see there that the market came through the entry price on this at 17,403, psychological level there at 17,400. The market stopped and then reversed again. So a loss on the first trade of 11 points was taken, and then we see the market again finding support at that psychological level. And as I've said for the last few weeks, these psychological levels are really important. But this time we see the market turn around, go back to the upside there, and prices starting to move back to the upside. And in fact, what I needed to do, if I just put this one back in for you, you can see there that the market takes out the stop on this short trade, again with another 11 points before the buy signal is actually filled. So we've got the buy signal being marked up after the sell signal failed to move lower below 17,400. And again, this reversal, we're closing out the short side and then buying into the long side there. So now the market manages to actually break out of this sideways trading range that it's got between 17,400 and the 450 there. So prices continue to drive through. We've not hit the scalp target yet when we get a second signal. And then we see prices continuing all the way up to 17,500. And the trade between here and the psychological level up to here is 67 points. And the market was driving hard at this point. We see the market close below the 17,450 level here. But then in the next bar, immediately we see the market reversing, and then the buying coming into the market with prices driving higher all the way up to the 17,500 there. So potential profit on this trade of some 67 points, purely by using the psychological levels to see if the market's going to actually trade back to the downside or not. And there is further information on how to hold these trades for those of you that are new to PPT inside of the additional training video section, how to hold the trade for the longer term. There's a few examples in there, video ones, and of course in part 2 of the manual as well, there's a look at how we can actually do that as well. So on the whole, not too bad. The volatility starting to decrease in this market because we're seeing more signals now, which is good. And hopefully on Tuesday, when the markets resume, we will see a little less more volatility as well. In the daily chart, you can see a straight reversal to the upside for Friday's trading session, again coming all the way back, more or less reversing the previous day's losses, even though the market went down to 17,201 there. So again, stuck in this sort of sideways volatile range. I mean, you can see the sort of range that these price bars are actually trading compared to in the normal days of activities. You see there in this up move, just between 50 and 150 points. Some days here we've been trading 300 points, so it's It's been quite a volatile time for the last couple of weeks, certainly since the festive season ended, but things are starting to calm down just a bit now. If we have a look at the implied volatility, you can see that we're down at 1592, just under 16%. We were just under 18 on Friday, so again, indicating that there's a bit of a pull and a bit more of a lull in the volatility there. So this is a good sign as well. Right, that's it for me for today's edition of the Market Alert for Monday the 19th of January. I will see you in Wednesdays, which is going to be the 21st. Obviously, the market's got to trade on Tuesday first, so we'll review this on Wednesday morning. Okay, that's it. See you in the next one. As ever, thanks for watching and also for your support.